Another really important piece of equipment here is called a Cyclone. Basically, feed mills don't like waste because waste goes into the environment and it's products that you would rather go into the bags and get sold to the customer. So feed mills are always looking for ways to reduce waste. When you're cooling pellets in the cooler, air is flowing through, and of course that picks up dust, fines, residue, remnants of the pelleting process. So instead of that going out and into the bags or into the lorries with the rest of the product, the good product, instead the airflow picks it up and it brings it into what is called a cyclone, which is this conical design here. So inside that, it creates a vortex, which causes the particles in the air to drop down, and it's essentially a way of filtering the particles out of the airflow, so the air continues to flow back in through the cooler. The fines, as they're called, are then taken, and they're not wasted. They go back up an elevator and drop back into the pelleting process to be pelleted again. So until all the product is out and through and cooled down, this is a way of recycling and reusing the poorer quality product to go back into the pelleting process. Solves a lot of problems in terms of waste and the environment.